Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to download and install Google Play Store apps on your iPhone. For example, if you want to download and install all of the Google Play Store apps which are not available on your iPhone, so how you gonna do that? So first of all, you have to simply know about the app name, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store and you have to simply search for that app, and after that you have to check whether that app is available in the App Store or not. If it is not available in App Store and it is only available in Google Play Store, then how you can download the Google Play Store app? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure some changes in the settings. For this, what you have to do, you have to go to settings, and after that you have to look for the battery, and here you have to simply turn off the lower power mode. So after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Safari here. So here what you have to do, you have to turn on the all cookies option, so that you have to simply close the tab of block all cookies, and after closing the block all cookies, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply look for search for appsafe.club, and here you will find the Google Play Plus Plus. So after you click on that, you will find all the details here, which means you have to follow the instruction to install the Google Play Store Plus Plus on your iPhone. And after that here the Google Play Plus Plus option will be available, and you have to click on that, and you have to simply search for that app you want to download and install from the Google Play Store. So but I will not recommend you to use this kind of Google Play Plus Plus, because they are harmful for your iPhone. So that's why iPhone doesn't allow any other outside apps from the App Store, because it is a risk for the security of your iPhone. So I will not recommend you to use any kind of this kind of application or website, because it may steal your data. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.